Simplifying algebraic fractions. The key to these questions is to look for common factors. So 4x plus 8 divided by 3x plus 6. We need to find what is common in the top line. So 4 is common in both terms, and therefore we can factorise it out. We're left with x plus 2. And on the bottom line, 3 is common, so we factorise out the 3, we're left with x plus 2. Once we've done that, we should be able to spot something in common, which is the bracket x plus 2 on the top and the bottom, so we can cancel them out, and we're left with 4/3. Another algebraic fractions question, but this time we've got x squareds on the top and the bottom, but with nothing in common between all terms on the top, which implies that we're going to do a factorised quadratic. So setting this up, I know the top is going to go into 2 brackets and the bottom will go into 2 brackets. Bottom one is slightly easier to deal with because they're both positive. So x at the front of each, both positive. What multiplies to 10 that adds to 7 is 5 and 2. Looking at the top line, again, x will go at the front of each, but what multiplies to minus 20, so we're going to have 1 minus and 1 plus, and adds to 1. So for this time, we've got x plus 5 and x minus 4. Now we've got identical brackets on the top, x plus 5 on both, which can cancel, and we're left with x minus 4 all over x plus 2. Another algebraic fraction question, but this time our numerator has only got 2 terms. So we look to see if there's anything common between 4x squared and minus 81. And in this case, there is nothing as a common factor that we can take out. So the next thing we look for is, are they square numbers? And 4 is a square number, x squared is square, and 81 is square, which allows us to do what we call the difference of 2 squares. So we're going to share this out. The square root of 4 is 2. Square root of x squared is x, and the square root of 81 is 9. We've got one of these is plus, one of these is minus. On the bottom line, we know we're going to have 2x at the start of the bracket and x at the start of the other one. What multiplies to 18, that adds to 13, but one of the terms is multiplied by 2. So therefore, the 1 multiplied by 2 is going to be 2, because that will give us 4x. And we're going to put the 9 here, which would give us 9x, which adds to 13x. So from here, we've got 2 brackets identical, the 2x plus 9 and the 2x plus 9. So we're left with 2x minus 9 over x plus 2.